Click on the link below to get price. The Lifetime 90630 Products Adventure Tower Deluxe Swing Set in green is a remarkable addition to any backyard, providing a perfect blend of fun and safety for children. Upon unboxing the product, you immediately notice the quality construction that sets it apart from many other swing sets on the market. The heavy-duty materials, including high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, not only promise durability but also ensure that it will withstand the elements and the test of time. Assembly can be a bit of a challenge, especially if you're tackling it solo. However, the detailed instructions make it manageable, and the end result is undoubtedly worth the effort. The swing set features a variety of engaging activities that encourage active play, including swings, a slide, and a climbing wall. Children can easily transition from one activity to another, keeping them entertained for hours and promoting physical fitness. One of the standout features is the built-in fort, which provides a cozy space for imaginative play. The vibrant green color enhances the aesthetics of any backyard, blending seamlessly with nature and appealing to children's playful spirits. The swing set's design is also safety-conscious. The swings are equipped with soft rubber grips and the slides have a smooth finish, reducing the risk of injuries. Parents will appreciate the low-maintenance aspect of the Lifetime Adventure Tower. The materials used are resistant to fading and require minimal upkeep, making it easier to keep the playset looking new. Additionally, the sturdy construction ensures that it can support multiple children simultaneously, promoting social play and cooperation. While the initial investment may seem significant, the long-term benefits of providing a safe, fun, and engaging play environment for kids make the Lifetime 90630 Adventure Tower Deluxe Swing Set a worthwhile purchase. It not only enhances outdoor play but also encourages physical activity, creativity, and social interaction among children. Overall, this swing set is a fantastic choice for families looking to create lasting memories in their own backyard.